Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Dodge Hellcat, the SRT. It's obviously had some aftermarket modifications done to the 6.2 liter Supercharged HEMI. This thing sounds amazing, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the LED headlight surrounds, and this has the wide body. So I'll go ahead and get you a better shot of that. I absolutely love this model. It does have the alloy wheels. You see the Brembo brake calipers. Tint all the way around. Dual exhaust. Go ahead and give that a listen. Then you've got, there's fiber optics, massive trunk, these wide bodies really handle well. These black leather seats are ridiculously comfortable. They are heated, and you have two USB ports in the back. Go ahead and show you the VIN right here. I will upload some still photos of this as well. So it does have an Alpine sound system. Okay, as you step inside, you immediately see the steering wheel, of which right now it says 759 RPM. So very, very cool. Then as you come down here, you see that it has 16,017 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your paddle shifters and your trip computer toggles. And then you've got your push to talk, and over here you've got your cruise control, your push button start right there, your ignition. And speaking of starting, here's your key fob, and you do have remote start on this. And coming over here, you have your typical stuff. We'll start with stereo, sounds phenomenal. Okay, so you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and then Bluetooth, auxiliary cable or USB cables, and then your climate controls. You have both heated and cooled front seats and a heated steering wheel, and then your apps. And I'll come right back to these. Well, we can go ahead and go to the SRT modes and see that it, out of the factory it had 707 horsepower. I don't know what it's at now. I'll find additional information, and if it differs, then I will note that. You see, here's your auto page, custom, sport, and you see your electronic stability control, change to sport, and then to track. And then we come over here to your phone for your Bluetooth connection, settings, and then here are your performance pages. And while that's loading up, I'll just go ahead. Oh, never mind, it's up already. So at any rate, you do have timers, gauges, engine, and even a dyno in this model, which is super cool. So we'll go ahead and bounce on back home there. And I do love the timers. And you see this is your last, your best, And you can also insert storage media, and then you can actually photograph it. It's so cool. I absolutely love how they've come along with this app. And then down here you have your SRT pages that we were just showing you, and then you have your launch mode, which you'd have to be in Drive to do that, which you can watch YouTube tutorials on that as well. And then right here you have your comfort controls, another 12-volt outlet here, you've got your shifter, and then down in here you have your cup holders, and I'll get to this in just a second. Another 12-volt, two Bluetooth, or excuse me, two USB and an auxiliary port down in there. And here you have your remote for your fiber optics, and these are very similar to a starry sky. You can change the color. So I just changed them to yellow, and then you can go to like the blue color, purple, or whatnot. Very, very cool. So that about wraps it up for this Hellcat on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title, as it was stolen. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. Go ahead and give you a little shot of this roof, and then go ahead and let you listen to this exhaust as well. And once again, that steering wheel does a lot of talking, and it doesn't flicker to the human eye. That's a refresher to the camera that's bringing you that disco party. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.